Water. What is it? It's at the beach, lake, ponds, river, and even in your house. Water is everywhere. We are made up of 70% of water. Water is the source of life. Water is an essential resource to every living thing that lives and breathes on our earth. Plants, insects, animals, and humans. Without water, our world will be failure and we are failing. Today, as we can see, the water is getting more and more destroyed because of pollution. Here is the river in Tembila, Terengganu. It used to be a memorizing and calm. But now we can see that the water is become treated with oil, plastic, and other unhealthy substances that affect all living things. Our water is not pure and clean anymore. Water pollution is the combination of bodies include river, ocean, and groundwater. This form of environmental degradation occurs when pollution are directly or indirectly discharged into body of water without adequate treatment to remove harmful components, such as detergent, chemical waste, plastic, or acid. Most of waste that ending up in the river is plastic. Plastic is everywhere in our river. Floating on the surface, mixed in the salt water, and setting on the river bottom. Once it's in the river, it will never go away. Rivers are the main source of plastic to the ocean, and that 1,000 rivers are responsible roughly 80% of pollution. 1% of river does 80% of pollution. This pollution is caused by human activities. The river can feed people a healthy meal every day. But now, they are being filtered and killed by throwaway plastic. According to a study in academic journal Science, Malaysia is the 8th worst country worldwide for plastic waste. It is estimated that Malaysia produced almost 1 million tons of mismanaged plastic waste in 2010. Of which 0.14 to 0.37 million tons may have washed into the ocean. Animals can interact with plastic through ingestion, so they think it is food. Plastic will imitate their natural food source. When they eat the plastic, it will kill them because plastic does not contain any nutrient and it is not biodegradable material. The problems underwater so this was threatening. They have to be solved. How to solve this problem? The engineering solution that can be used to clean the river is by technology of interceptor. is the scalable solution to prevent plastic from entering the world ocean from river. It interacts plastic autonomously by using smart software, and it is 100% solar power. So the interceptor will not produce any impact to the environment. River waste flow into the system with the current that guided by barrier direct to the mouth of interceptor. Well, both are still able to pass. Here, a conveyor belt extracts the debris from the water onto a giant shafter. The shafter automatically distributes the waste across 6 dumpsters by using sensors. Once full, the interceptor automatically sends a message to a local operator. The barge is pulled back to the store, empty for the recycling and reattract for further collection. The interceptor can extract more than 100,000 kilograms of trash per day. The collected plastic by interceptor will send to recycling center. In recycling center, the waste is recycled to make a new product. Also, the plastic manufacturers should consider biodegradable material to save our environment. Reduce the water pollution that caused by industry by wastewater treatment. The installation of pre-treatment facility and adoption of quality waste treatment protocol can help to eliminate the toxic contamination. Pre-treatment is prevent water pollution by cooling, treating, and remove all the toxic components of the waste discharged into the water body. The non-engineering solution that can be used to clean the river is never throw rubbish or plastic away. Always look for the correct bin to throw the plastic. If there are none around, take it home and throw it when you're at home. Use of more eco-friendly consumer products at home and in public areas. Picking out trash of plastic that around the river. Working together to make the ocean a cleaner and less polluted environment. Water pollution is causing a great stress on our environment. The main goals of the SDG 14, Life Below Water, is indicated to conserve and sustainable use the sea and marine resource. Conserving river life is important because the ocean are the largest ecosystem on Earth. The water in our environment is not as rich, clean, and pure as it should, and it can be by helping keep water clean through our prevention and solution. We can keep the water clean, less contaminated than it is. With this, we can find a clearer future for our resource.